If you're thinking about upgrading your fishing electronics, you might be asking one simple question: is Garmin LiveScope 2 really worth it over LiveScope Plus? The biggest surprise is the price. Garmin LiveScope Plus launched at around $1,699.99, while the new LiveScope 2 series starts at $1,999.99, with the premium LiveScope 2 HD priced at $2,199.99. So is the extra cost actually worth paying? In this video, we'll compare the two systems side by side, explain what's new, and help you decide which should you choose. Garmin changed the fishing industry when it introduced LiveScope, allowing anglers to watch fish, bait, and underwater structure in real time. LiveScope Plus improved image quality and target separation, making it easier to spot fish and track lure movement. Now, Garmin has introduced LiveScope 2, and this isn't just a small refresh. It's a complete redesign focused on delivering clearer images, longer range, wider cover. What's new? The first thing you'll notice isn't actually the image quality, it's the installation. With LiveScope Plus, you needed the separate GLS10 black box between the transducer and your display. It worked well, but it added more wiring, took up space, and made installation more complicated. LiveScope 2 removes that completely. Now the transducer connects directly to compatible Garmin displays. That means fewer cables, fewer components, cleaner rigging, and more room on your boat. For many anglers, this is one of the biggest upgrades Garmin has made. Image quality. LiveScope 2 delivers 20% higher image resolution, producing sharper underwater images with noticeably cleaner detail. Garmin has also improved noise reduction. Fish, bait schools, brush piles, rocks, and underwater structure appear more defined than before. Better target separation. LiveScope 2 builds on that with improved clarity and cleaner imaging, allowing fish and lures to stand out even more clearly. Whether you're targeting bass around timber or watching fish follow your lure, the improved detail makes it easier to understand exactly what's happening underwater. Increased range. The standard LiveScope 2 now reaches up to 250 feet, around 25% farther than the previous generation. Wider sonar coverage. Garmin also redesigned the sonar beam. Forward, down, and perspective modes now cover a wider viewing angle, allowing you to see more of what's happening around your boat. Built-in smart features. There's now a built-in water sensor that automatically turns the sonar off when the transducer is removed from the water. It also includes an integrated water temperature sensor, and Garmin supplies adjustable mounting hardware for quick switching between fishing modes without needing tools. LiveScope 2 HD. Garmin also introduced a premium version called LiveScope 2 HD. Instead of focusing on maximum distance, the HD model is designed for anglers who want the absolute clearest picture at shorter casting distances. Garmin says it delivers up to 50% more detail than previous models. Should you upgrade? If you already own LiveScope Plus, the answer depends on how you fish. If you want cleaner images, more range, wider coverage, easier installation, and fewer cables on your boat, LiveScope 2 is a meaningful upgrade rather than just a minor refresh. For anglers buying a live sonar system for the first time, LiveScope 2 is clearly Garmin's most advanced option yet. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, Smart Tech Radar.